Chapter 12. Air Around Us. Air is all around us. All living beings need air to breathe. We cannot live without air. Air is made up of many gases. Oxygen is one of them. We cannot see or touch air, we can only feel it. Moving air is called wind. When wind blows gently, it is called breeze. When wind blows very fast, it is called storm. It usually comes with thunder, lightning, and rain and generally blow things away. Properties of air. There are four properties of air. They are: air has force. Moving air has a lot of force in it. It blows everything that comes in its way. It can even uproot trees and blow sheds of houses. Air has direction. Air always blows in a direction. This can be seen in the movement of flags hoisted on the temple tops or leaves of trees moving in a direction. Air has speed. Strong wind has a very high speed. It can change the direction of things like air balloons, kites, smokes, etc. Air fills space. When a balloon is blown, we see nothing inside, but still it can be seen becoming big. It is actually air in it that fills the balloon, giving it a shape. Apart from these properties, there are some other things that air contains. Let us study about them. Content of air. Air contains a lot of particles like dust, smoke, gases, water vapors, germs, etc. Such air is harmful to breathe. Let us study how. Air contains germs. Air has a number of very small living particles which cannot be seen. Some of these living particles are disease-causing germs. They enter in our body when we breathe and make us sick. Air contains smoke and dust particles. Air picks up dust while we clean our house and other surroundings. Dust also mixes the air when the wind blows. When wood or other materials are burned, smoke goes up and mixes with the air. Smoke is also given out by industries and transports. Air contains water vapor. When we put clothes in the sun heats the water in the clothes and changes it into water vapor. Air contains many gases. Air is a mixture of many gases. Oxygen, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen are important gases in the air. All living things need air to live. We need air to breathe. Air pollution. Mixing of unhealthy things in the air is called air pollution. Polluted air is not good for health. We must breathe pure and fresh air. We must keep doors and windows of our houses open to let fresh air in. Science fact: CNG stands for compressed natural gas. Buses and autos run on CNG so they do not release smoke and pollute the air. Good air is clean air. Clean air is good for health. We need fresh air to keep ourselves healthy. The air we breathe should be free from pollution. We can get fresh air if we plant trees near our houses. To get fresh air, we should play in the open ground and sometime near the plants and trees. Plants give out oxygen while making their food. They also give out water vapor. This keeps the air moist. Growing more trees is one way of keeping the air fresh and clean. Science fact: we will be more healthy if the air we breathe is fresh and clean.